Hello students, my name is Ajay Sahu. That night Mahendra enjoyed the most delicious dinner and complimented Iswaran on his culinary skills. He seemed very pleased but unexpectedly launched into a most garish account involving the supernatural. Launched into a most garish account involving the supernatural. Iswaran had preparing a delicious dinner and Mahendra praised his cooking skills. Iswaran was happy on being praised, but all of a sudden started narrating a detailed story relating to ghosts and supernatural powers which are disliked by Mahendra. You know, sir, this entire factory area we are occupying was a burial ground. He started. Mahendra was jerked out of the pleasant reverse of he had drifted into after the satisfying meal. I knew on the first day itself when I saw a human skull laying on the path. Even now I came across a number of skulls and bones, Iswaran continued. Iswaran said to Mahendra that the site of the factory was earlier a place where the dead were buried. Mahendra jerked out of the pleasant thought after the tasty meal. Iswaran continued that on the first day itself he had seen a human skull laying on the ground when he was returning after buying vegetables. Even later, he had come across a number of skulls and bones laying around the place. He went, he went on to narrate how he systematically saw ghosts at night. I am not easily frightened by these things, sir. I am a brave fellow. But one horrible ghost of a woman which appears off and on at midnight during the full moon. It is an ugly creature with matted hair and a shriveled face like a skeleton holding a fetus in its arms. Fetus means होता है unborn baby. Okay. Iswaran added that something he saw ghosts at night, although he was not scared of them as he was a brave person. But once he saw a very horrible ghost of a woman. It appeared on a full moon night at 12 o'clock. It was very ugly, had matted hair and shrunken withered face. It looked like a skeleton holding an unborn baby in its arms. Mahendra shivered at the discussion and interrupted rather sharply. You are a crazy, Ishwaran. There is no such thing as ghosts or spirits. It is all a figment of your imagination. Get your digestive system examined and maybe your head as well. You are talking nonsense. Man disliked the story and interrupted sharply. He scolded Iswaran and said that he had gone mad. Man said that ghosts did not exist. He added that it was Iswaran's imagination. He ordered Iswaran to get himself checked up, to get his digestive system and his brain examined as he was speaking nonsense. Mehta asked him to get his digestive system checked up because when a person is suffering from constipation, he gets nightmares and dreams of ghosts and supernatural powers. He left the room and retired for the night, expecting Iswaran to sulk for a couple of days, but the next morning he was surprised to find the cook as cheerful and talkative as ever. Mahendra had thought that Iswaran would remain quiet for a few days as he had scolded him the previous night. He was astonished to see a cheerful and talkative Iswaran the next morning. From that day, Mahendra, for all his brave talk, went to bed with a certain unease. Every night he peered into a darkness outside through the window next to his bed, trying to make sure that there was no movement of dark shapes in the vicinity. But he could only see a sea of darkness with the twinkling lights of the factory miles away. Mahendra showed that he was very brave, but on the contrary, con- uh, contrary, he was uneasy because of the story Iswaran had narrated. Even night before going to bed, he peeped out of the window next to his bed to assure himself that there was no ghost around. He did not see any ghost, but only saw darkness and the twinkling lights of the factory. He had always liked to admire the milk white landscape on full moon nights, but after hearing Swaran's story of the female ghost, he avoided looking out of his window altogether when the moon was full. Before listening to the Swaran's story, Mahendra light Mahendra light watching the white colored landscape on a full moon night as easy Iswaran has told me that on a full moon night a female ghost haunted place. He stepped looking out on the night as he was afraid bumping into the ugly ghost. Okay.